welcome back to another video. I hope you're doing fantastic today because I am actually doing pretty good. Today I will be giving you a little tour of our master bathroom. I'll show you some organization ideas and also show you a little bit of decor. Just a little bit, I like to keep things simple. I am Simply Dish. So let's just dive right into the video. Okay guys, let's just do a quick overview of the washroom here. We have white floors. I wanted white floors, a shiny white floor. I've always wanted this. So in this house, I got to play around a little bit and do what I wanted. So this is our shower with glass doors and a glass side, but tiles over there. Hey guys. And our shower. So that is a rain shower, and then we also have the handheld shower head, and then there's an option for jets as well. Tiling to match the floors. Moving on to the beautiful toilet. And we have our sinks over here. So his and hers. My husband has his and I have mine. I like that our sinks are separate because, no offense to my husband, but I do keep my side of the counter clean. I like it clean. I think this is the story of every wife. So we went with, again, just like the kitchen, just like downstairs, we went with the quartz countertops in gray and the white doors. And the sinks are rectangle as well. Rectangle. And so we have storage or cupboard space under this sink as well as the other one. And lots of drawer space and cupboard space in the middle here. We'll get to that in a second. Here we just keep a little bit of our essentials or what we use on a daily basis. So, piece here picked out by Summit. He likes to help me out a little bit with the decor. He likes to pick out little things. And my beauty mirror, I use to do my makeup. Over here we have our tub, our jacuzzi. So it has jets there. There's a button for that. So you just press the button there. Our kids are scared of the jet, so we don't use this. They're pretty strong, pretty loud actually. So they take a bath in here. It's super easy. I just throw them in. I don't throw them in. I put them in. They have their bath time. We put some toys in there. 20-30 minutes and they're out. And this pulls down, pulls out, so I can spray, and then obviously the faucet and a window. You need a window in the bathroom, and when we moved into this house, I was super excited to have a window to have a window in the bathroom because we were living with our parents for a while and our bathroom there did not have a window. So believe it or not, I was super excited about a window in the bathroom. And just where we put our towel, there's a hook up there for our extra towels or clothing. And yeah, that's about it. That's where we keep our shampoos. We keep our shampoos, our soaps. Now let's take a look in there. Let's see what we have inside. Okay, so the middle top drawer is all mine. I know, mine. It seems like everything is mine, but it's not, I promise. So here I keep most of what I use every day. I have a notepad. Why? I don't know. I have a notepad and a pen. My hairbrush, blow dryer, hair straightener, hair supplies, face supplies, my Sephora eyeshadow palette, hair clips, face creams, the foundation, powder, everything I use on a daily basis. And then I got these clear trays. I actually got them from the dollar store. Believe it or not, they're awesome. They have some cool stuff. So go on down to your local dollar store and I'm sure you will find these clear bins. Let's move on down to the other one. This one, here we have our toothpaste, toothbrush collection. Some spare toothbrushes, paste, floss, more floss. Just everything organized into these little clear bins. And then my husband's little section right there. Okay, and down here, just open up. Okay, so in here I have some nail polish over here. My selection of nail polish, which I'm not a big fan of nail polish and my extra makeup. I'm not a big fan of nail polish, makeup. I grew up with boys, brothers, all my brothers. I didn't have any sister growing up my age, any cousins. So I grew up liking boy things, cars, trucks, sports, anything that boys liked, I liked. So I've never really been into this, getting ready and all that. Okay, so down here we have, this is my husband's. I have organized his deodorant, his hair stuff, gel, his creams, lotions, hair oil. All of this is his. And in the middle there, we have a bunch of random stuff that we honestly never use and we need to get rid of. Okay, and here is mine. I don't know if you guys can see this. Okay, so we have lots of body sprays. My lotions, my hair sprays, and yeah, lots of hair products. Yeah, so just a bunch of sprays and lotions. Down here, some nail polish and makeup. That's all. I think we do pretty good with trying to keep things as minimal as possible. Is that a real word? Minimal. Okay, so here is my cleaning space, okay? So, just some cleaning sprays. Here, this is my DIY spray this one here. I use it pretty much everywhere. It's amazing. My natural sprays, I try not to use bleach very often here at home. It's very rare that I do use bleach. My plastic gloves and just some paper towel, some spray, plastic gloves that I definitely need for cleaning and I cannot live without. And moving on to this side, let's open up. And just some toilet paper, paper towel. We keep extra soap there, body wash, Epsom salt for the bathtub. Epsom salt is great way to relieve any body pain, to relax your muscles. And the tub has more tiles just in the front there and partly on the wall. So they run all the way down and all the way around. And that's it. Alright guys, that is the end of our bathroom organization video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. Take care, and I will see you guys again real soon with another video.